Hey everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm unboxing the August VillaBeautifful kit whose theme is simplicity, and if you are into chic and sleek neutrals, this is the kit for you. So let's get started. So let's start off with this month's papers. Now beginning this month, these are a separate add-on purchase, so if you don't do a lot of paper crafting, you don't have to have them. If you like to make your own dividers and dashboards and things like that, then you can purchase them separately from the kit, and they all match so gorgeously and I just love all of these different brush strokes elements. I mean, these are really pretty. And of course the bobby pins. And with these you get 4 sheets of double-sided 8.5 by 11-inch papers, as well as 2 specialty papers. This month is 2 vellums. This one is a very pretty marble print. And this one has a lot of great supplies on there. You've got some coffee, mascara wands, glasses, diamonds, bobby pins, and it's a very light kind of blush color. This is really cute. And the actual kit came packaged in this very sleek, black, plasticky kind of zipper pouch. And it is a little bit transparent. It's got the logo down here you can kind of see at the bottom. So let's open this up. Alright, I'm going to start off with this new feature to the kits that will be included in all the kits going forward. It is the VillaBeautifful sticker book, and it does have the theme name and the month and year, so you can keep track of them very easily if you don't want to worry about having them separated. And it's an entire book full of the stickers, so instead of getting the separate sheets like you used to, it is now all packaged very nicely in this handy little book. And it does feature some foiling. There we go, caught the foil on that one. So you've got your icons there, some full boxes, clipboard boxes. I love these. And then a whole page of half boxes. That is going to be awesome to use. I love half boxes. And we've got some headers, a full sheet of deco. It's really pretty. And then I still get the 2 options for the date covers, some arrows and tabs. And then you have your checklist and banner flags. So I'm really excited to see all of these for future kits too. This next item is one of my favorite features in every kit. I mean, this one is just a total home run. I love the marble, the desk scene, the potted succulent. It is so pretty and also functional. You got plenty of room to write here in this huge blank space. So I gotta love that, and she always includes plenty of sheets as well. Next up, we have a 3-pack of planner clips or bookmarks, and this is what the back looks like. So they just slide right into your pages there. So you get 3 different fashion girls, all kind of rocking different neutral toned outfits. Next up, we have another new item to the kits. It was introduced in last month's kit, and that is the VillaBeautifful washi card. And this is just the perfect size to toss in your purse or planner pouch, to stick in your traveler's notebook pocket, or to snap into your ring-bound planners. And I mean, if you want to fill this up with a bunch of black and neutral tone washies, or to catalog your kit washies each month, just a great way to do that and keep all of your washi samples really handy. Okay, this next item is a dangly planner charm, which would be perfect to clip onto your rings or strings, or even onto your backpack or purse or keychain. I mean, there's so many great ways to use this. This one features a black heart, a marbly pearl, and some glasses. Looks like they're made from, I don't know, clay maybe, something like that. But really cute and sticks with the neutral and pink tones of the kit. This is another item I'm really excited to see back in the kits. They were featured in the Cool Vibes kit in some fun colors, and now we get the black in kind of a beigey neutral tone, so they will go with so many different layouts and setups. They both have the embossed hearts here, and the pin loops are perfectly sized to fit your VillaBeautifful pins, which is great because a lot of the pin loops that I found are too small for them, so it's nice to have something that is made just for those. Next up is another new item. We have a pack of, I believe, 5 journaling cards, and they all feature some foiling. So in the old kits, you would get 1 small and 1 large, and now you get a pack of 5 small journaling cards. Some different quotes and designs on there. The fashion girls that were featured on the bookmarks, and a quote that says, "Live simply, love generously, learn constantly." Love that foiling. And now we move on to the washies for this month. You get one skinny and one standard size, and they both have foiling on there. The skinny one has kind of a Dalmatian print with black and foiled spots, and then you have a marbly background with a foiled stripe and then a neutral and pink stripe. And saving the best for last, we have this month's Simplicity VillaBeautifful pin. I believe Tiffany said this was as if Megawatt and Midnight Rose had a baby, and she is definitely right about that. So this one features rose gold hardware, black barrels, a pink logo, and a really stunning mix of neutral, clear, iridescent crystals inside. And this is another one that is exclusive to the kit, so you have to pre-order the kits to get these pins, but there will be an entire collection releasing soon. Make sure that you are in the Facebook group to find out more information on the release dates and times for those. And that does it for this unboxing. I also made a quick tutorial on different ways that you can use the digitals that are included with every month's kit. They coordinate perfectly and give you endless possibilities to create planner accessories and complete your setups. So I will link that in the description below, as well as the kit information page on the VillaBeautifful website and all of my discount codes. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!